Hey Pisces, what's up? Welcome to your reading. This is for Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. It is a general reading, guys. May or may not resonate. We're gonna have a look at what can you expect to happen in the future when it comes to your career, your business, whatever it is that you're pursuing right now. Okay, this is a career and finance reading for the sign of Pisces. Let's see, what is the future? What is the future for Pisces' career and finances, please? It is a general reading. If you need a personal reading, you can DM me on Instagram at Tarot with Nemo, or you can email me on tarotwithnemo@gmail.com. Keep in mind the energies can be vice versa. So this could be your energy or someone else in your environment. Okay. This is for Pisces. What can Pisces expect to happen? What is the future of the career or job or business that Pisces is currently pursuing? Okay. Current situation. One second. What's the overall energy strength? Okay. So Pisces, right now I feel that there is some kind of clarity that you have. You could, a lot of you could be, there could be a new idea that's in your mind. Okay. Now this idea is either influenced by you working in a way that you used to work in the past. Okay. A certain pattern, repeating a certain pattern of how you used to work in the past. Okay, that's what you have clarity about. Or there could be clarity about you wanting to rejoin a certain career path. Okay, that you were going back to a certain career or a job or a business that you were working on in the past out here. But there is some clarity out here, some breakthrough here. I think you're pretty confused right now. Okay, there is no decision making from your side. You're at a crossroads. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Both the decisions look bad to you. Whatever the decisions are, could be between two career paths, could be trying to choose in the same career, probably between two departments or whatever it is, or just two different businesses. Whatever it is here, something is requiring a lot of strength from you, okay, to control your impulses. Okay, you want to make a very logical decision, is what I'm getting overall here. What's the strength? Yeah, see, you want to stay as conservative as you can. To you're too scared to explore, is what I'm getting here. You're holding back, not like it's a bad thing out here, but I feel what you're holding back is because something is you're just being too conservative there. You're not trying to go against the rule book. Okay, now I'm not sort of talking about the law. I'm saying there's something where you want to make a more traditional approach, a more conservative approach. Instead of making your own rules, you want to go by the rules here. Okay, which is what is holding you back from completely going head on and going and doing something which no one's ever done, or something which is not the path that is most taken. Okay, now I feel the clarity, whatever your clarity you have here, right, it's something which has to do with some long term success out here. You could be, for a few of you could be trying to balance your work life and home life. For the others of you, your focus is probably on being very, very practical, very grounded. Okay, yeah, so there could be an offer from someone from the past that's coming towards you. Okay, and now you're like, I don't know what to do about this. Or there could be something, like I said, that you were doing in the past, and there is an opportunity here to pursue that again. Okay, whatever it is, right now you're looking for clarity, or you have clarity out here. There could be some kind of success and breakthrough also that you're looking for. Yeah, see, in the past year, you could have started something new. Okay, you could have walked away from something that you knew, and you could have learned something new. You could have started something new, which was a very small opportunity, or you could have just started a new job. Okay, whatever it was, it required you to walk away from your comfort zone and walk into the unknown. Okay, where you probably felt that the grass was greener on the other side here. Now, For a lot of you, you could be very stressed. There could be some mental and emotional pain that you have been going through, okay? Or for a few of you, you're too scared that things may backfire, which is why you're just choosing to stay closed off, choosing not to make any decision. For a lot of you, I just feel you're too scared, okay? That something might just backfire or something might just not work out. It's going to cause you a lot of stress here, which is why you just feel you're in your comfort zone and you don't want to take a risk, okay? A lot of fears before it's already happened is what I'm getting. You see, you're trying to escape the situation here, okay? So you have a option here, either to move in full speed, but you are stopping the progress for some reason. You're stopping your progress here. You're not trusting your intuition, huh, Pisces, by the way. You're a very intuitive sign here. You are trusting your logic, and logically it says don't take a risk. Logic is telling you don't take a risk. Logic is telling you why don't you calculate the facts out here. Intuition is telling you go for it. Logic is telling you wait for it, okay? Not wait for it. Logic is telling you, know what, stay calm and balanced. There's no need to take a risk, okay? So what I'm getting here is that there is an opportunity here where you can get to work with either younger people or get to work with someone from the past out here, but you're just, you know, just not sure, because one way you're trying to run away from it and the next moment you want to go full speed ahead, okay? So there's a lot of contradictory belief going on here, Pisces. You're being very indecisive overall here. The only thing is you're holding back because you want to stay, you want to go by the rule book, okay? It's almost like if you don't go by the rule book and you trust your instinct, trust your gut, and you go ahead and do something, if you fuck up, you're going to be the one responsible for it, Pisces. And I think that's one responsibility you don't want to take. In the future here, there is a potential here, okay? Now I feel for a lot of you there could be help coming either from family, friends, relatives, colleagues, whoever, right? What's the Ace of Cups? Yeah, see, so once there's a brand new opportunity coming in, again, nothing very big, nothing very practical, but there could be in the future here, there could be an option where family, friends, or someone, you know, someone who you have good connections with are going to help you out, and there could be an opportunity coming from their side, which will probably be a fresh new start for you. Okay, so I don't see anything grounded coming in, okay, but yes, you are trying to be very grounded and practical right now, which is stopping you from moving forward, okay? But I think for a lot of you, I'm getting Pisces, maybe you are currently working with family, okay, but you are choosing to move forward. You learned your lessons and now you want to move forward in some kind of independent way, okay, but you're not sure that if you want to pursue this, are you going to be okay on your own? Is it going to be a good decision to leave your comfort zone, comfort and security of whatever you're working in, and move towards what makes you happy, or move towards something new? For a lot of you, I feel that, because right now you're feeling very restricted, or you are restricting yourself. You're restricting yourself. There is a brand new opportunity coming in for you, Pisces, which is not only going to be something that you love, but it's also going to be an opportunity here which is where you're going to feel very enthusiastic, you know, you're going to be very driven, very passionate. But whatever it is, just be careful. It shouldn't be something that starts quickly, ends quickly, okay? Because that's like a lot of passion. That's like full speed, move ahead, okay? See, that's what's happening here. Deep within, you want to move forward so quickly, but something around you is making you feel like no, 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 that's the wrong road, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, okay? Again, here you are only trusting your logic, whereas Pisces, you should be trusting your intuition. You should be. You're trying to tame that urge, tame that temptation to leave what you know and just jump in completely into the unknown here. Anyways, regardless, in the future here, we do see something new coming in, okay? Give me two more cards for the Ace of Cups. Wow, there's a wish fulfillment here. Okay, so there could be an offer coming in, okay, a new opportunity here. This could be a new job opportunity. This could be something which may require travel, something which requires action. So if you don't take action, the opportunity is going to go away. There is a potential here where there could be something that's coming in through a friend, relative, colleague, someone you know where there's a good connection here. It's almost going to be like a wish come true for you, but I think you may not take it up, because it's going to be like you are just going to like think and think and think and think and procrastinate. Don't do that. Don't do that. Whatever it is, I may not see money right now, I may not see stability right now, but it could have the potential to grow, you know, into something stable here if you at least start. Take the first step. Okay. What's the Ace of Swords? Two Queens. Pisces, I think the clarity you have right now is that there is some opportunity that you see here. Okay, there is an opportunity that you see here, which is probably very grounded, or you could be very focused on your career goals. You could also be very enthusiastic. Okay, like an achiever. You're being an achiever right now. Okay, however, there is a lack mentality, Pisces, that you have right now, along with the clarity. Whatever you have, there is a lack mentality. What if it goes wrong? Maybe there's a new adventure that you want to start. Maybe there's something you're very confident about, but somewhere, somehow, that lack mentality is coming in because maybe either it requires someone, a family relative, for you to invest into them. Maybe it requires some investment here, and maybe you feel you don't have enough. But this is a mentality, lack mentality, where you feel you don't have enough. But actually, if you're grounded, you see something is very, very long, see something as long term success, and you have the action, and you can make it happen out here in that confident state of mind. That's just, that is nothing. That's very temporary. That's very temporary here. Maybe there's a loss that you made in the past year and now you're not sure, or maybe you tried something in the past and you felt like, you know what, that may not work out for me, or what if it doesn't work out for me, which is why you're probably at a space. But I feel you're leaving that situation here. Even if you are in that situation, there are chances you may leave it. Okay, it's like, you know what, never mind, I'm still gonna do what I gotta do. That's the Seven of Swords. Give me two more cards for Seven of Swords. See, you're trying to avoid a disaster, right? That's what's happening, Pisces. You're trying to avoid a disaster. You feel if you go full speed into something, you might just crash. Okay, although whatever it is, the opportunities that's coming in, it's something that you've manifested, but you're just not sure. See, there's so much thinking going on, right, Pisces? You're thinking too much, even if the offer comes in. So, what's the point? What's the strength? See? You're not making a move, Pisces. You're not making a move. You probably are ready to move forward into a new job opportunity, or ready to move forward towards your goals here. You're ready, but you're not making that move forward because what it requires is a lot of strength to take a leap of faith, to take that risk and jump in. But that's something that you're holding back. You're not doing that. Why? Because you want to stay as conservative as you can. You don't want to hold yourself responsible for any consequences that happen, right? You need someone for the blame game. That's what's happening here. But anyways, in the future here, I do like this, that there is an opportunity coming in, but you're just going to waste your time thinking about it. Don't do that, okay? Maybe you're just thinking too much, and maybe you're thinking like, what are the next steps out here? What are the next steps of a career here? Whatever it is. But it's an opportunity here. It's a wish come true here for you, okay? The universe is not giving you what you want. The universe is giving you what you need. Exactly what you need here. So whatever you're trying to escape right now, in the future, it's going to present itself again. You may be scared of avoiding a disaster, okay? Like, what if I move full speed and it just like backfires? Whatever it is that you think is going to backfire, it's going to present itself again, okay? Again, and you're just going to again just be closed off, isolate yourself, and think. It's not going to get you anywhere, okay? So that's what I have for you, Pisces, and hope this reading resonates, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.